Well, hello and welcome to Biopsychosocial Social Work Perspective on Mental Health and Substance Use Disorders. If you missed this class on Monday, it will be very important for you to watch this video as it contains important information that will help you to be successful in this class. First, we will take a look at the syllabus. Please make sure that you do read the course description as it contains vital information about the course. First of all, we know that biopsychosocial from a social work perspective on mental health and substance abuse offers a comprehensive exploration of the complex interplay between biological, psychological, and social factors in understanding mental health and substance use disorders from a social work perspective. So please do read the entire course description. Next, we have our required text, and the textbook can be downloaded from the Canvas page. You will see under the modules tab, along with the syllabus, a copy of the textbook. In addition, we have our learning objectives for this course, which are based on the CSWE competencies. Next, we have the actual competencies, which are reflected in CSW. Please do make sure that you review the course learning objectives because it guides us through what this course is all about, which is understanding the DSM-5 and the biopsychosocial perspective. Next, we have our weekly readings and our course assignments. So you can see here the weekly readings, and then next are the course assignments. Each week is laid out in a similar format. Each week is laid out in a similar format. You have your required readings, and then you have your course assignments. This will be very important to make sure you understand how the readings of this course are formulated and the actual course assignments. The first week assignments we will do in class. You will be responsible for starting at week 2 with the reading assignments. When you are doing your readings, you can see that we have for week 2, read pages 35 to pages 263. I am going to demonstrate to you what I am expecting you to read and memorize, because this will be the material you will be tested on in this course. In your textbook, you can see all of the different disorders located in the table of contents. In our lecture in class, we demonstrated what these numbers mean. The numbers correspond to the specific disorder. These are ICD-10 codes. However, very important when you are doing your readings, I am not expecting you to read every single page from 35 to 263. What you will be responsible for is each disorder that is listed between those page numbers. And what you will do is go to the disorder. So for this one, autism spectrum disorder. For each disorder located in this DSM-5-TR, you will see first the diagnostic criteria set. It is your responsibility to make sure that you read each diagnostic criteria set for the specific disorders, which are noted by the bold diagnostic criteria set, as well as it is in these highlighted sections for each disorder. it is important that you memorize or know each of the criteria set for the specific disorder, as this will be what you will be tested on July 24th. So it's important. You may want to get started as soon as today in making sure you read through each of the disorders diagnostic criteria sets. Now let's go back to our syllabus, which is review of a case study and review of the video. Review of a video assignment will be what we accomplish in class, which you will provide a reflection about. The case study is one case study which you will be paired with another classmate, and you will create a case study, and you will have to note each of the criteria set for the disorder that you will be assigned. The next assignment is the class reflection paper. And the class reflection is your experience of being in the classroom. At the end of class, you will be required to write a reflection paper about your experience of being in the class for that day. Therefore, attendance for this class is very important. And then you will upload your reflection to the Canvas page. The next assignment you have is submit video and article review of the major DSM-5 TR disorders. So in class, you will assign a specific disorder in which you will locate a video based on the disorder you were assigned, and then you will watch the video and provide a paragraph summary of the specific video highlighting the criteria of the disorder. If you were not in class, I will send you the disorder you will be responsible for. For this particular assignment, you will submit it on July 9th. The first week assignments you do not have to worry about because we will do those continually in class. So again, make sure that you complete the readings, as I mentioned earlier, based on the assigned disorder that you have. Make sure that you complete the readings looking at the diagnostic criteria set for each disorder between the page numbers 35 and 263. And then the video reflection, which we will do in class, the case study, which you will be assigned, your class reflection paper, and then locating the video of the disorder assigned. The entire course follows the same format as we can see on week 3. Your readings will follow page 295 to 407, looking at those diagnostic criteria sets, because that's what you will be tested on. And again, it is very important, because in order to successfully complete this course, you must receive at least an 80% on being able to identify the specific disorders that you have read about. Again, you have the same format here for week 3. Week 4, again, you have your readings, and then you're going to follow that same format, and you have the same format for your assignments. And then week 5 is where we have some change. you have your readings continually, but then for the course assignments, you have your DSM-5 exam, which is based on knowing all of the criteria sets that we mentioned earlier. And then you will complete your group assignment, the case study, which we mentioned earlier as well, and then you have a final exam for the course. And your final exam for this course is a reflection of your experience of being in this class. I hope this brief introduction to the course assignments and the readings will help you to get off to a good start so that you will be prepared when you return to class on Monday, and I look forward to seeing you in our class.